Before you even think about buying a discounted iPad 11 or a second-hand iPad Air, you need to hear this. Apple is currently preparing a move that will destroy the budget tablet market as we know it. For years, the base model iPad has been the affordable option, a reliable but slightly older piece of tech for students and casual users. But in 2026, Apple is changing the rules. We are talking about a device that is rumored to break every tradition Apple has ever held for its entry-level products. From a generational jump in silicon that bypasses years of expected updates, to the integration of Apple Intelligence into the most affordable screen they sell. The iPad 12 is no longer just a budget tablet. It is a high-performance machine in a $349 body. Today, we are peeling back the curtain on the secret internal code documents that leaked from Cupertino, revealing a chip upgrade so massive it makes the current iPad 11 look like a calculator. Stay until the end, because the pricing strategy we've uncovered for the USA launch is going to shock you. The A19 Shockwave, breaking the rules of silicon. Let's get right into the most explosive leak. Traditionally, the base iPad uses a chip that is 2 or even 3 years old. The current iPad 11 uses the A16. Logic suggests the iPad 12 should get the A17. But the latest internal Apple code documents, referenced as J581 and J588, tell a different story. Apple is reportedly skipping the A17 and even the A18, jumping straight to the A19 chip. Yes, you heard that right. The same 3nm powerhouse found in the latest iPhone 17. This is unprecedented. Why would Apple put their flagship phone chip into their cheapest tablet? 2 words, Apple Intelligence. The A19 isn't just about speed, it's about the neural engine. To run Apple's new AI features locally on device, you need a certain level of NPU performance that older chips simply cannot handle. By putting the A19 in the iPad 12, Apple is ensuring that even the most affordable iPad is future-proof for the next 5 to 7 years. This is the death of the budget performance tier. The 8GB RAM threshold, the AI key. A massive chip is useless if the memory can't keep up. The iPad 11 was limited to 6GB of RAM, which is exactly why it was left out of the Apple Intelligence revolution. The leaks for the 12th generation confirm a jump to 8GB of RAM as the new baseline. For the average user in the USA, this means smoother multitasking, but for the power user, it means image wand, live translation, and the new Siri 2.0 will finally be accessible on a $349 device. This 8GB threshold is the passport to the future of iPadOS. If you buy an iPad today with 6GB of RAM, you are buying a device that is already reaching its ceiling. The iPad 12 is designed to be the floor for the next decade of software. Display and design, the classic refined. Now let's talk about what's not changing, because this is how Apple keeps the price so low. The design of the iPad 12 is expected to remain identical to the iPad 11 and 10. We are looking at the 10.9-inch Liquid Retina LED display. There were rumors of an OLED upgrade or a 120Hz promotion screen, but let's be realistic. Those are reserved for the Pro and the Air. The iPad 12 will keep its 60Hz refresh rate and its 500 nits of brightness. However, there is a whisper of a new anti-reflective coating being